everyone. Can you guys hear me okay? Lucas isn't here. We're going to talk games. Hi everyone. We're at the pool. Sam's over there. She's shy though. She doesn't want to be in my live. Hey everyone, what's up? How's everyone today? We went to the amusement park today with my family and now we're at the hotel at the pool. They tried to teach me a TikTok dance. I cut the word. I just wanted to get on here real quick to say hi. I'm at a hotel right now. I went to the amusement park with my family and now I'm at the hotel at the pool. It is 10:25. That's my birthday. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna hang up. I'm gonna say hi, but now I'm gonna hang up. I'm just here with Sam. Sam's over there. She's right there. Here. Can you guys not hear me? I just wanted to say, hope you guys had a good day today, and I had a lot of fun today. I went to the amusement park, like I said, and I'm just here with your sister. And then this. Yes, I am from Mexico. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I kind of want to hang up now. Is that It's okay? Yeah. Say hi. Hi. You guys can hear me? Lucas is commenting. Let me see. Hi baby. Hi baby. Hi baby. Hi my baby. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. I took like an hour trying to learn one TikTok dance. It takes me a lot. And it's not even good either. I give up. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Talk too soft. Alright, I'm gonna hang up honestly because I don't know what else to say. Alright. Bye. Bye. And my phone's about to die, so I gotta go. Lucas isn't here. Baby, I miss you. Alright, he got off of my live, so I'm gonna hang up too. Can you guys hear me? I'm gonna say bye now. Bye everyone. I'm gonna go learn this TikTok dance. Bye. I'm gonna hang up now. Love you guys. Love you guys.
What's up guys, back for another IGTV. Today I'm going to show you how I get my eyebrows waxed. I got my worker here, my beautiful girlfriend.
Hi, I'm going to be waxing his eyebrows today. What?
So what's the first step? What are you doing right now?
I want to be cleaning and moisturizing your skin. This is the pre-wax spray. This goes on before the actual waxing process. So they first cleanse your eyebrows. Yeah.
You do it that hard? Like...
I'm just kidding. No. Once it's cleansed, I grab a spoolie. Where is my spoolie at? Grab a spoolie, and I brush the hairs. Baby, maybe we'll...
like this or what?
You need to brush your hair upwards.
This is gonna hurt.
Yeah, I already did Marcus's. You wanna see his?
Yeah.
Alright, so I did Marcus's eyebrows already. That's what they look like. I got my other model right here. Boom. His eyebrows look great. And then I got model number 2 over here. I'll be waxing his eyebrows.
Alright, so can you explain what we have here?
So we got wax. I don't know what else to say.
Wax.
Wax. I'll be grabbing this little toothpick, not toothpick, this little stick. And I'm gonna grab some wax. And I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start with the right eyebrow.
What do you recommend best? Wax, thread, or with the razor?
I would say with either wax or threading are my favorite. But I don't really like the razor one. I feel like it's too rough. Not rough, but like, I don't know. I just like threading is definitely like, I feel like it looks most natural, but wax looks cool.